na mundu gwitwo Njogo Kamiri ni ngwenda gukuririkania wega ta wega ati maundu ma uthamaki ti hindi mambiriria ati bururi wina muthamaki maundu ma ithurano ti hindi mambiririe kuma tene. In fact ona shaitani we mwene makihitania na Ngai enda gutuika munene.
And that story by the way, I have always been asking myself, what was that thing at
yeah, you know, ugithoma mafuku ma kirikaniro rita riu ugithoma the Bible dialect ni koragwo ina uhoro na no njuge rimwe ni yagaga uhoro ku identify clearly what happened between God himself na Lucifer. Etagwo Lucifer araika ni mari maritwa mao kule iguru, etagwo Lucifer originally na no ugi dig deep into history na dig deep into traditions todo mafuku matikire ho. You will come to understand bara ya shaitani na mundu gwetwo Ngai ya existed after man was created.
Nigwe existed
ya kuma mundu arikia kumbwo nirio bara ya shaitani na Ngai yambikirwo. Bereo there is nowhere in the record Ngai maruaga na shaitani.
Why is it so after mundu guka?
Todo God called the cabinet of heaven na akiuga let us create a man in our own image. Ko Ngai we mwene akiumba mundu na muhianire wake and ugithoma thino ibuku ria thaburi rauga atiriri ate mundu niki gitumaga Ngai amunyabaraga so after God created man in his own image ni atekire kindu gitagwo pride thiini wa kindu kiuomba tondu ni ombite ng'ombe ni ombite mburi ni ombite nguruwe na ciothe itiombitwo in his own image. Koguo Ngai we mwene arikia kuona a replica of his own, he was so amazed and he became very proud. So ugithoma mafuku ndithomete ibuku ritagwo the book of Eden, man we mwene erirwo you can now bow to this angels makiro, you can bow to this man kana makiro now look at the image of God. Automatically ono takwenda gukorwo kiandikirwo handu ri aikorwo we mwene uciaritwo ni muthamaki ri we nawe indukirio muthamaki. So when God created man na mundu akirugama na akioneka he is now created in the image of God our sovereign, the angels bowed down. Nikio raigwa Ngai ni endete mundu muno makiria na akera na Jesu we mwene ciugo ciake erire araika ariria atumwa ara 12 akimera ni mwendetwo muno ni awa na ni mugaikara thi mucirithie mihiriga 12 ya Israeli na mucirithie nginya araika.
Man was really
so
exalted.
Man exaltwo muno before any other angel. Nwanyita. And according to the hierarchy of leadership kana the hierarchy of things in heaven, shaitani we mwene ari instrument. I think tulikuwa tumeongea hiyo. Shaitani we mwene ari instrument. He was music. He was music ministry himself. Kogo we mwene re akiona I cannot bow to this man. Todo this man has come now to take my possession. Todo negoda weciria kwa kuria kwa Ngai iguru ri gutikoragwo na ng'ombe irathi kurithio nwanyita
utiri ona iria cigatuhaga iria
aca iria niko ne handu rigaburuaga haria rikauma Ngai ni we uyi
tene neme
aiko ne gukihe andu mana ri wenda kunjira iguru ni kuri riko na shimuni
iria no rigakunukaga
o haria rikaumaga ni gugakorwo na iria. So I want you to understand that ati kuri iguru ri gutire supermarket kana moro, gutire ma security tondu gutikire na danger oro yothe hai gutire na meteorologist ati marore riera ati ni gukura twanure ngwa no that kuri iguru gutire kindu kingi tiga o kigoco kuga mwathani arogoco mwathani arokumio. So shaitani we mwene ari na a greater following tondu wira wake uria marutaga kuri iguru no kugoca na we mwene niwe wari lead soloist. Kogo we mwene akiona my position is being taken
by mundu woka
by man. Kogo agoikatia akiarahura bara against the man that God created. Kogo we mwene uri ekire ri augire atire nie ne gwarahuka ugithoma ibuku ria Isaia 14 ne gwarahuka ndeyambararie muno jikarire gite kia mwene hinya nigetha ona nie nyinamirirwo toria mundu ainamirirwo because man is in the image of God. Na hau niho bara yambiririe.
So turenda kuga even in heaven kwa na this kind of political governance
iguru kwa Ngai it is hierarchy. Ne wathani kuma kuri uria munini nginya uria munene. If you read the book of Enoch chapter number 3 niraheana about the angels who came here on earth to to sleep with the daughters of men. Na ugithoma chapter 4 nirakwira atiriri ati araika acio rira maikurukire ri matongoretwo ni muraika umwe wao wetagwo Ezekiel. Ezekiel we mwene ri amabangire in groups of 20 as leaders. Na waya leaders o mutongoria akoragwo na araika 10 thutha wake. So there were 200 angels. Koguo kure iguru ri ni mathomete structure ya wathani. That is what I want to say. Ni mari structure ya wathani no ria mathagwo wene. Tondu mandiko maratwira atiri ati oitha ni kugiaga na ki na rwimbo rurainwo aria maina ithaa ria themwe tio mekuina ithaa ria thaigiri. Koguo magitonya ri itokurigia na mutongoriro kumatongoria uria niwe mwene gikundi kia araikaya. So that is how the foundation of leadership was laid down in heaven. Twanyita na ginya hau koguo shaitani we mwene ri ni acuthiririe na akiona is kinda nitafanya campaign huku nione kama nitamwamsha Mungu hapa katika kiti chake cha enzi alafu mimi nikalie alafu niendelee kufanya mambo poa na mimi nikuwe tu nimekalia katika kiti changu cha enzi. So goda huku irate uthamaki ti hende wa mbere uthamaki ni mukuru. Leadership is as old as human being, as old as Satan himself. Netwanyitanira koguo tondu uthamaki guo mwene kana unene guo mwene gutire mundu uthuire ri Ngai we mwene ni atwekire muthamaki wa andu ake tondu automatically aikone ni ndaguciara aikone your existence itoginya gikorwo ndi munene gugukira tondu ni ndagikurugira irio. So Ngai we mwene agitweka muthamaki wa ciana ciake. Na nigwenda tuthome thini wa ibuku ria 1 Samuel chapter number 8 tuone digithoma tumihari tuothe no ndirenda tuone tumihari tuiganona nigetha tumenye atiriri andu aya mombitwo ni Ngai ri andu aya maciaritwo ni Ngai ri andu aya Ngai atumite magie ho na njira ri atumite magie ho ri ni meririirie ni makinyire hindi makiona andu aria angi mena muthamaki na ithu ni tukwenda muthamaki. The same way before 2022 twainamirie mothio maitu na tukihoya na tukirira na tugithaitha Ngai tukimwira mwathani
andu acio noguo no metirie muthamaki
ni tukwenda muthamaki na tukwaja nini ndehingire ma
no ajira Ngai already auma muthamaki
Ngai already
muthamaki wa andu ake
auma muthamaki
no andu ni mauga ni tukwenda muthamaki nyitirira hau
turacokeria muthikiriria na mwiroreri